today's India must be thinking that paying bribes is normal. In fact, it has become the norm to get your work done. So besides your degree, we want you to take away something else from your institute today. We want you to take away a pledge to follow the right path in your profession, as well as your life. We would have failed in our duty if we had not been able to instill in you, in the 4 years that you were here, there is always a right and a wrong way to do things. And many a times in life, you will have to make a decision. In those moments, think of ACE. This is your institute. And remember that this institute always tries to follow the right path. Each and every penny that was used to build this institute is hard-earned, tax-paid money. And talking of taxes, I will also like to exhort each of you to not shy away from paying taxes. It is our duty to pay taxes. I agree that the services we get from the government in return for the taxes we pay are not up to the mark. But once we have paid the taxes, then it becomes our duty to fight with the government and demand good services. Before I read out the pledge to you, I would also like to make a couple of points. What is the name of this college? Many people refer to it as Mithapur College. Well, the acronym for the college is ACE. It is not ACE-AR, it is ACE. When it was decided thinking ACE, number one. Even though the name of the college is Ambala College of Engineering and Applied Research, the acronym is still ACE. And where is it situated? It is situated in Devsthali, which is near Mithapur. So you can call it Ambala College, you can call it ACE, ensure that the right brand image of the college is built. Secondly, I request you to be proud of your institute and give back to the institute as well as the society. We do not want any money from you. We just want your well wishes and support. Do well the right way wherever you are. By doing so, you bring fame to ACE. I am proud to inform you that many of you or your friends have done so well in the companies that they are employed in, that those companies come back again and again to the college to hire students from here. Further, the thing that we want from you the most is your guidance to the current students. Those of you who are working in the industry now would have realized that if you had worked as hard as when you were a student, as you do while in job, you would have done much better in your studies and would have given a kickstart to your career. Many of you have homes in Ambala or in the vicinity of Ambala. And when you come back to your home, and if you have some spare time, do give us a call. We'll organize an interaction between you and the current students. Being the same age, those students are bound to listen more carefully to you than an old guy telling them something. We also want you to become members of the ACE Alumni Association. All of you, before you leave here today, register with the association. The ACE Alumni Association is a registered body now. Your inputs are always welcome to help take the institute forward on the path to fulfill its mission. When you came here this morning, voluntarily you were asked whether you wish to sign the Engineer's Hippocratic Oath. The Hippocratic Oath is an oath historically taken by physicians. In its original form, it requires a physician to swear to uphold specific ethical standards. Today, we offer to you to take a similar. And he told me, he was on a quite senior position. He told me that most of his time in the job is spent negotiating contracts with BSNL and other shaping the contracts. And that the first opportunity he got, he left that job. Through this pledge, we wish that and you're forced to do some things. Remember in the back of your mind that this is not right. And if you can, change the situation. This pledge is a reminder for you to always try to follow the right path. To practice my profession with conscience and dignity. I will strive to apply my skills with the utmost respect for the well-being of humanity, the earth, and all its species. I will not permit considerations of nationality, politics, prejudice, or misconsideration. I will be the engineer to whom technology is God, who always creates tech tribes. I take the above oath solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. So I request all of you to take this pledge today and follow the right path in your life. On behalf of the management and staff of ACE, I wish you all the best and much success in your profession and your life. Thank you.